Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Legend of Elements game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or any other kind of errors on Android phone. So if you are also trying to play the game but unfortunately you are coming across any kind of issues, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method what you need to do is to restart your device once. So for that, press volume up plus power button and then select restart. It may be differ from your device. So once you restart your phone, now check if you can. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and is not fluctuating. If there is any kind of internet fluctuation, then you should move to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here, then click on app info. Now here you can see force stop. Simply click on force stop, then click on OK, and after that again open the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to clear cache of the particular game. So for that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache option. After this, now try to launch the game and see if it is opening or not. If not, you should also see if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Legend of Elements and then simply click on update option, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to check whether your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, click on settings, then go below, click on system update, and here it will check if any update is available. So as you can see, there is an update available, so you simply have to click on download and install option, and after updating your phone OS, now try to play the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then the last method what you need to do is simply uninstall the game. So what you need to do is uninstall and then reinstall. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here, then click on uninstall icon, then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your device. After that, again go to Google Play Store and search for the game and install it, and after installing it, then try to play the game and see if it's working now. So by this way you can easily fix Legend of Elements game crashing, not launching, or any other kind of issues on Android phones. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.